Distracted driver swerves quickly as he realized that traffic in front of him stopped. Luckily, he saved it from crashing.
Once you turn... Oh, okay. Okay, I guess you are going. I'm sorry.
Car driver takes up entire road just to execute an illegal U-turn.
We're all confused.
This driver recorded a possibly stolen vehicle, which was on the mission to take down this fence.
What the f*** are you doing?
Scooter rider got triggered after this driver honked at him for riding in a bus lane. Check out what happened next. Driver said that he reported this incident to the cops because scooter driver damaged his car, but unfortunately he didn't heard anything back from them.
What the f***? Okay, Garmin. Save video. And it's a BMW, because of course it is.
Without the other jumping into or without personalizing unfiltered emotion.
Flatbed, you got in the hammer lane, black flatbed, you got a wobbly tire. Looks like you're missing some nuts or something on there. It's that back tire on the right, wobbling like it's about to come out. Hey, I knew you was gonna lose that tire, flatbed. I saw that thing wobbling. Yeah, flatbed. Hey, here comes that tire. It's about to hit the wheel.
Trailer's got the tire.
It's in the hammer lane. I told the flatbed, I told him to get out of there. Here it goes, let it go right. Let the tire go right. It'll go all the way over to the shoulder. There it goes. It's going.
Two individuals driving a stolen Mercedes caused a collision and then fled the scene. Despite their escape, the police have yet to apprehend them.
Where the f*** you all running to, man? Where you running to? Come here, man. Look at this. Look at this shit.
Oh my God, I told you I heard it. Oh, it's people.
Where the fuck you running to?
They ran out of the car.
Yeah, they ran down here.
Oh my God, is anybody
Fuck,
in
you
the
don't leave
car?
a cop.
Why are you going towards me? Like, what are you going to get out of there? What are you going to get out of that? You're on camera. Honestly.
I think that's the way he's going. Well, you got to when you walk into the stores, you have to be working with food.
Luckily, everyone involved in this rear-end accident were okay.
Idiots! That's what you get for f***ing running red lights, you f***ing moron.
Driver almost hits multiple vehicles while fleeing from the cops.
Houston.
This weather update is sponsored by you.
The 2023 Tesla Model 3 withstood a 60-mile-per-hour rear-end collision, followed by a head-on crash with Volkswagen Jetta, leaving the car wrecked but the driver relatively unharmed.
Going to our living room. I think I still have the video somewhere of my boyfriend cutting the wire. One of the creepiest and most...
Harsh event detected.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.